To uninstall GoLang completely, first we will open up the terminal and here we will run this command, which is go space version. We get the version of Go in the output. It means the Go is installed currently in our system. Now the steps in this video are valid only if you had installed GoLang using Homebrew at the very first place. And to check whether it was installed using Homebrew or not, we will type this command, which is brew space list and pipe, then grab Go. If you also get Go in the output like me, then it means the GoLang was installed using Homebrew, otherwise it was not installed using Homebrew. Now to uninstall GoLang, we will run this particular command, which is brew space uninstall space go, and we will hit enter. Now the uninstallation is completed. Let's verify for uninstallation, and for that we will run this command, which is go space version. So this time we got this error, command not found Go, which means the GoLang is uninstalled from our system. I hope the video was useful to you.